Hey folks, Adam here, and we have a fantastic pool robot by the great folks at PoolMate. Now this can be battery or corded, and this is a fantastic device, and I gotta tell you, it's got a big bin with a fine filtration that's gonna keep your water line, pool bottom, pool walls all absolutely gorgeously clean. So what else can I tell you about it? First and foremost, I want you to see this big opening is going to be able to get things like leaves and sticks. The treads here are fantastic to where it's not going to get stuck. And this is going to do a great job of sucking up all that dirt and debris and putting it right into the bin with that fine filter that's going to keep it ultra clean. Now, their new brushless motors means that it has a long run time, and it's got some of the most powerful suction of any robot vacuum, pool vacuum around. And the new algorithm is gonna get your pool cleaner than other pools. It's gonna get that dirt out. It's very efficient. On top of that, it has a park on the side where you can pick it up easy. You can control it with the app. The app is fantastic. You can set it, schedule it, forget it, and control it from just about anywhere. That's really nice. And yeah, this thing has incredible Bluetooth. It's easy to install with that app, and I absolutely love it. Now, I love that you can do your pool walls too. This gets the pool walls done. This gets that dirt and debris off the bottom of the pool. And that extra long battery life means that they've got you covered time and time again. So if you're looking for a fantastic device, one that is going to get your pool cleaner than you've ever imagined, this is the device for you. The smart algorithm, the smart design, those brushless motors, that big battery, can't be beat. The runtime on this is fantastic. We'll go through all the stats. So let's go ahead, check it out, and kick it off right about now. All right, folks, we're looking at the PoolMate Hydro 4 robotic pool cleaner. Yeah, it's dual power mode, corded or battery, automatic cleaning for pool walls, floor, lateral waterline movement. It's got that dual inlet for turbo pump and enhanced cleaning power, anti-resonance algorithm for more cleaning, and the Hydro Cloud app saves time and it's effortlessly. Yeah, that app, you can literally remote control it, and you can turn it on from around the world. Yeah, it's corded or battery powered, so that's nice. Dual innovative, and it makes every pool a breeze. Now, I love the battery convenience personally, but yeah, you can also do that corded durability. It's got that waterline lateral movement, the wall climbing, and the Hydro Cloud app allows you to schedule and run the whole thing from anywhere that you got Wi-Fi. The dual inlets are going to be able to take up things like leaves and sticks. Anti-resonance algorithm is going to get things super clean and going to get the job done quickly and efficiently. And you get 3.5 hours of cleaning on that 14,400 mAh battery. And the dual turbo pump is not just efficient, but it is powerful. The ultimate in suction power, of course. 5,070 gallons per hour of filtration capacity. You can set up daily cleaning. That large basket, so you don't have to clean it out all the time. It'll do the wall and water line. You can completely control it from the app. And it's convenient with that one-click pickup. Boom. Press a button, come up the wall, pick it up. Pretty cool, right? The turbo pump innovation and the superior cleaning is what has become the standard for PoolMate. They'll do leaves, twigs, sand, and even hair. And there's some hair in your pool. Don't kid yourself. Easy to rinse out that nylon mesh. Just use a hose. The wall climbing. The great algorithm. So if you're looking for the most reliable pool robot and the best company on the planet, look no further. All right, folks, there you go. A fantastic product. Right now, I'm going to tell you it's time to go ahead and pick it up. This is an absolute winner. Now stick around for the up-close portion of the video for even more. All right, folks, this is the PoolMate robotic pool cleaner. It's the Hydro 4. It says life is cool by the pool, and this is a fantastic device. So nice. I would do this video twice. PoolMate Hydro 4 battery-powered, tangle-free, fast charging. You can get the corded or cordless or both. This is the both, and that's pretty cool. And this is a really fantastic robot that will clean your pool for you. Now, all the features on this, you won't believe it, okay? Dual turbo centrifuge. Yeah, it's got some of the most powerful suction of any pool robot I've ever used in my life and anyone on the market, period. Battery powered and corded. That 2-in-1 gives you flexibility to do it your way. The hydrogravity technology, that means wall climbing and a patented lateral movement to get your walls and waterline clean. It gets the waterline too, folks. It's gonna get your water clean. Intelligent algorithm, which is going to increase coverage by 30%. The Hydro Cloud remote with Bluetooth or Wi-Fi means you can control from anywhere. You can be on the other side of the world and you can turn this bad boy on. Effective filtration with that big basket, the 4.1 liter. And of course, this thing is just a beautiful, beautiful design. Now we're gonna back out here so you can see it. Let me move the box out of the way. I've already taken it out. I've already been messing with it a little bit to learn about it. And wow, this thing is fan-diddly-tastic. All right, now, instead of that big bin here that you can wash out with a hose, look at that. Look at how fine the filter is. That's how clean the water's gonna get. Right here, that dirty water comes in, sticks, stones. They may break your bones, but they're not going to ruin your pool because this has really got you covered, folks. Okay, just slides right back in when you're done with it. Look at these fine treads. This isn't gonna get stuck over obstacles in your pool. It's got big treads like a tank, like a Sherman tank, folks. That's really nice. Here's the cord, okay? And right here, gotta show you, that dirt and debris is gonna go right in there. It's gonna be sucked in with a powerful suction. These sweepers are gonna sweep it right in, and imagine this cleaning your water line, cleaning those scuzzy walls of your pool, all that dirt and debris going right on the inside. Nothing better, nothing better. All right, so if you're looking for something powerful and robust, this has got you covered. Push of a button, this has got you covered. Big battery, got you covered, or corded. Holy cow, the Hydro 4 is premium. That 3 is fantastic too, folks, but I gotta give a lot of love to the Hydro 4. The battery powered and corded, get the option you want, but holy cow, they really have a fantastic product that can't be beat. And once again, I gotta tell you, PoolMate is a premier brand, a brand that outlasts the competition, outperforms the competition, faster charging, bigger battery, more efficient, smarter algorithms, built to last, and just does the job. That's the bottom line, folks, right? So, if your question is, should you pick it up? It's a resounding yes. Absolutely, this is incredible. Folks, my name is Adam. We're talking about elite demonstrations. The Hydro 4 is the most elite robotic pool cleaner. PoolMate robotic pool cleaner. It's the most elite on the planet. Don't you dare miss it. You know I love and appreciate you, so go pick it up. Goodbye, my friends.